Hey, it's Mike from EastWest Physiotherapy. Let's get into a few natural ways that can help relieve your leg swelling by using these 4 acupressure points. By targeting specific pressure points in the body, acupressure can help improve circulation and reduce swelling in the legs. If this can be done with your legs elevated above the level of your heart, this can promote drainage even more. You can do these acupressure points on their own or in a treatment cycle using all the points I'll be discussing today. Work on these points 2 to 3 times per day as needed. All these points will be tender when pressure is applied to it. Spleen 6 is located on the inside of the lower leg, about 4 fingers width above the ankle bone. You should be able to feel a slight indentation between the shin bone and the calf muscle. Apply pressure to this point with your thumb or index finger and massage in a circular motion for 1 minute. Stimulating spleen 6 also helps to regulate digestion, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve circulation. Kidney 3 is an acupressure point located on the inside part of the foot, in the depression between the ankle bone and the Achilles tendon. Stimulating kidney 3 also helps to relieve anxiety, reduce insomnia, improve digestion, and alleviate lower back pain. To stimulate this point, apply firm pressure to the point with your thumb or index finger for about a minute. It is important to note that kidney 3 acupressure point should be avoided during pregnancy. Gallbladder 34 is an acupressure point located on the outside part of the lower leg, below the knee and in front of the fibula bone. It is important to note that gallbladder 34 acupressure point should be avoided during pregnancy. Stimulating this point is also used to help with lower back pain and knee pain, improve digestion, and also manage stress. Bladder 60 is located on the outside part of the ankle, just behind the ankle bone. Apply pressure to this point with your thumb or index finger and massage in a circular motion for 1 minute. This point stimulates the flow of circulation and energy in the legs and effectively reduces swelling. Acupressure is an effective, natural, and a great complement to other therapies that you may be using to reduce leg swelling. If your symptoms persist, make sure you check in with your medical professional for an assessment and proper diagnosis. Let me know in the comments below how these points have helped you, and consider subscribing to our channel for more natural ways to improve your health. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.